Hello friends. Hello friends. Good evening. My name is Vaishnavi and today we'll discuss the editorial page of Hindu paper. And today's topic is more at the top on US Open 2020. The US Open was not short on exhibiting of the top-notch skill and indomitable will. The 2020 US Open, which concluded at New York on Sunday, may not have has had its usual star dust, but that about the definite from the challenge of means there was a US Open in this 2020 means it was a new Open of US. It has concluded that at New York on Sunday may not have its usual stardust, so it may not have the usual stardust, means it has concluded like that. Who won the first and third Grand Slam singles titles respectively? India's the travel concerns owning to the COVID-19 pandemic forced Fogger further and raffle. So who will win the first and third Grand Slam singles title? So means who will win this title, who will win the title respectively, means they'll win, means who will be the first who will be the first their first and third Grand Slam singles titles, they'll receive it respectively. Injuries and travel concerns owning the COVID-19 pandemic forced, means these injuries and titles respectively. Injuries means these injuries and travel concerning just like COVID-19 pandemic forced, means like who faced the injuries and on the traveling are concerns owning to the COVID-19 pandemic forced. World number one Novak chasing Federer's all-time record of 20 Grand Slams took a bite only to be disqualified in the fourth round of accidentally striking a line judge with the ball. So this world number one player Novak, he was the all-time record of 20 Grand Slams, took a bait only to be disqualified, means he was disqualified due to he was in the fourth round accidentally strike a line judge with the ball. So it was it has struck the line, so it was judged with the ball. Among women, 6 of the top 8 were missing. So among the women, means this among women, 6 of the top 8 were missing, means top in the top 8, 6 members were missing. But in extraordinary times, strength of the competition must not be the only barometer, means the strength of the means the extraordinary times, the strength of the means like the strength of compensation must not it should not be the only barometer for it. The travel, the isolation, lack of fan engagement and the imprisonment, their threat of a virus meant by the players had to mine ever bit of their mental energy. So due to this due to this COVID-19, many people has means they have an experience of death and means they have saved from the death. So many people have the experience from it. Next, it is the testament to Themis and the Oscars supreme abilities that they did not with and managed to even summon their best tennis and fight back from the brink against the young Alexander and seasoned Victoria about players of top notch skill and indomitable will. So they should means like they tried means they should fight with the means they these were the tennis players and they were mentally and physical, they should be mentally and physically fit so they can play the game well. So they should fight back from the brink against young Alexander and seasoned Victoria. Both of the top notch skill and these both are the top notch skill and indomitable. Theme is the first time men's major winner. So he was the first major winner 6 long years after Marine Cilic, while Oscar has joined Venus Williams. So after 6 years, Marine Cilic will means in 2014 US Open. So now it is 2020, right? Will Oscar had joined Venus Williams, Serena Williams, Kim Selijsters and as the only active woman to have won at least 3 single majors. So these are the only women who has at least got the 3 single majors. Statistics aside, tournament provided the first glimpse of how men's tennis could shape up the absence of Federer and Djokovic and Nadal. So they were they were providing a tournament. The first glimpse means like glimpse of how men's can means they could shape up the absence of Federer. The theme led mid-grade, which also includes Zverev, Daniel and Stephens, made good on its promise and provided 3 of the 4 semi-finalists. So these 3 were made the means these 3 out of 4 had made the semi-finalists. That the 27 years old Australian broke thought first was no surprise for he had already reached 3 major finals and continuously beaten a big star. He has become a big star continuously, means he has got 3 top places, so he has become a star in that. While the theme appears to be the future, Oscar, nearly 5 years younger, is very much the woman of the moment. So Osaka was the only woman she was the only woman nearly 5 years younger. She was 5 years younger. It is it is very much to the woman of moment. So it was very much to the woman of that moment. The immediate future of tennis may lie in the subsequent world of biosecure bulbs, but barriers are no doubt being taken away. So these the future of tennis may lie in a sequestered, means it may lie in a sequestered world of biosecured bubbles. So it may lie in the biosecure bubbles, but barriers are no doubt being taken away. So there were no barriers to no doubt being taken away. So now we'll discuss some of the meanings from today's topic. Foreboding means feeling that something bad will happen, means like having a feeling that something bad is going to happen. Next, hostage captive or a prisoner. She was taken hostage by the gunman. Means she was taken as a prisoner by the gunman. Next, insurgent, rebel or againstry means like a enemy, means who are against to us. So next meaning is inaugural, making the beginning or first or initial. Like in her original speech, she stressed upon women and empowerment. So she so in the starting she said about the women empowerment. And next meaning is deflect, cause something to change direction or divert, means like averting something, like to uh, something to change its direction, means changing someone's thoughts. Example, he deflected the ball away from the court. Bait, lure or annoy or taunt someone. Example, free holidays were offered as bait to customers. Glimpse means momentary or partial view or peak. This biography offers a few glimpses of his life before he became famous. So these are today's meanings. Thank you.